Hello, muraho. My name is Samuel Muhayimana as usual. So we are going to see how we prepare Quizlet. We prepare Quizlet in terms of questions, in terms of game, and then we insert somewhere or we share to our student in class and even our friends elsewhere. So let us start some steps. We go on step 1. You write in a browser, whatever browser, www. It's a triple W dot Quizlet dot com. Okay, Quizlet.com. So click enter. So we are here. Then after being opened, so we start by logging in. So by creating account, you come here, then me log out so that I can show you how you can create account and then you prepare those Kahoots. So you are here, so you come here. If you are new, make a sign up, because to make those Kahoots games or to make those Quizlet questions requires to have an account. So click sign up. After clicking sign up, so you join with Google. Okay, you can join with Google or join with Facebook, no problem. So you can click join with Facebook, no problem. If you use Facebook, you can click there. Then after Facebook, you can join by putting your username in Facebook. For example, so then after putting your username in your Facebook, you can put there your password. Okay, type your password, then you click enter. Okay, after being opened, I have matched cyangwa se nahuje Quizlet nyihuza na Facebook yanjye. So they are asking me if I can continue as Sam. So I click yes. Okay, I have matched my credentials of Facebook to Quizlet. Okay, so then after I'm here, so I can start making my best by clicking some questions here. They are saying that they have to be paid or start for trial for free. Okay, you can try for free. You can scan the documents. There are many tools there. You can start by doing many things in it. See, add free studying, boost your focus. Okay, those are if you start using this Quizlet, what you will supposed to get. Okay, then after I can use it for free because I don't want to pay. Okay, that is for 7 trials day. So I click there. So they are asking me to put my MasterCard for trial. So but I want to do this. I'm just studying. So yes, I am a teacher. I can click here if I'm a teacher. So they say that I'm a teacher. Upgrade my account. So I don't want it, so I can lose. So I continue. So here they asking me if I can continue with the free version, I can click here for free version. You see, after clicking on free version without paying, I can come here and then try find study materials. Okay, find whatever. So right now I have an account in it by matching my Facebook with the Quizlet, so I can start making my quiz, okay, or my assignment here. Okay, so I come here by making my own set. I click here, or I can click here for seeing the popular sets, those what others have put there. So I click there for create my own. Ndashyiramo hariya kugira ngo nkore ibyanjye, nimara gukora ibyanjye bari kumbwira hano ngo ni ntarayinge nzagure create new set quickly and easy from the photos on your photos, try it for free. Birumvikana nagiyemo kubw'ubuntu, ntabwo nshaka kwishyura. So ndakanda hariya rero nkanze. So nindangiza rero ndaza ntangire create a new study set. Ngiye gutangira nkora ibibazo byanjye. So ndashyiraho title nshobora gushyiraho suppose wenda se ndashyiraho quiz of biology n'urugero. Okay, quiz of biology. Iyo niyo title. Then here I can add description. So by saying my student, for example, my student enjoy game. For example, enjoy game. Then after here I can come by pulling down. Then I start putting my cards. So I can add the term 1. Ndashyiramo term ya mbere yo muri biology n'urugero. Nshatse nashyiraho heart n'urugero. Byaterwa n'icyo wateguye kwigisha, depend on what you prepared to teach. So I can put one term here. So ushyiramo term imwe muri biology nyine mu isomo uri kwigisha, hanyuma ukaza ukareba kuri definition ugahitamo ururimi, kuko ngiye I need English, so no problem. Ugahitamo ururimi ukajya kuri definition. So ukareba ko rero baguha definition. So if you click here definition, no problem. So they choose language, so it is English. So so in this definition I pick definition. Then after I come here to choose the image. So the system is loading some images. So I'm coming to see the image of the heart. So I come here, then I see which heart I want. So I can click here to find other hearts. So I can pick this one, for example. Okay, nkuko mureba hano nashyizemo term gusa heart, nkanze kuri definition bahita bama definition nyitamo, hano mpitamo image, none nashyizemo image ya heart. So ubwo nta kindi namanuka nkajya gushyiramo term ya kabiri. I can scroll down to put the second term. I write here that is second term. Nashyiramo term yindi.